The A2B Tracking Platform can integrate with the Deltek Costpoint Inventory Module, so businesses utilizing Deltek Costpoint can take advantage of the powerful RFID and barcode inventory features, as well as the proven government property management capabilities that the A2B Tracking Platform provides. Once integrated using the proprietary A2B Costpoint Inventory Agent, inventory and asset records created in the Costpoint Inventory Module will automatically appear in the A2B platform. The records can then be inventoried using a number of different methods offered by the A2B platform, such as mobile barcode, mobile RFID, and even fixed RFID. In addition, a variety of property management functions can be recorded in the inventory records to help meet FAR 52-245-1 Government Property Clause, and the data can be exchanged directly with the Wide Area Workflow, GFP module, or IUID Registry, since the A2B platform ties directly into the Procurement Integrated Enterprise Environment, also known as the PIEE. All transactions and related data tied to inventory and government property will be automatically shared between the A2B platform and Deltek Costpoint, since the integration keeps the records in sync. The integration between A2B and Deltek Costpoint is made possible using software called the A2B Costpoint Integration Agent, also known as the CIA. The CIA runs as a Windows service and works with on-premise and Deltek cloud-hosted Costpoint installations. Let's see all of this in action. We start by logging into the Deltek Costpoint Cloud. Let's take a look at some example make and buy, serialized and non-serialized item records within the Costpoint Inventory Module. We see the detail of one of the example serialized item records here. Now we change over to the A2B Cloud Platform and log in. Here you can see a clean slate and there are no item records showing currently in the A2B platform. The A2B CIA agent sends item records directly to the A2B platform to start the sync process. Now you'll see serialized and non-serialized item records from Costpoint Inventory appear in A2B. A2B allows users to easily perform many key functions such as creating, assigning, and reporting IUIDs to inventory records. For instance, from this screen we can easily assign an IUID to a serialized item record within the A2B platform. The IUID record now shows on the serialized item record, item number ending in 716. With a few clicks, the IUID record is transmitted seamlessly through the A2B platform to the IUID Registry and GFP module. Now, if we take a look at the IUID detail screen, the serialized item ending in 716 shows as registered to the IUID Registry, thanks to the A2B connection with the PIEE for real-time registration status. Another benefit of using A2B is when users need to report the receipt of property to the WAWF. Now that serialized and non-serialized item records are in the A2B platform, they can be sent to the WAWF to report receipt of property with just a few clicks. Let's take a look at the DD1149 form that has been generated. With the click of a button, the system has populated the document with all of the required data to show the item records on the shipment transaction is ready to be sent to the Wide Area Workflow. Within a few clicks, the shipment transaction is transmitted seamlessly through the A2B platform and directly into the Wide Area Workflow. The A2B platform then automatically sends the updated inventory records back to Costpoint. In Costpoint, we can now see that the data transaction tied to the recorded IUID activity has been automatically updated. The A2B platform can also perform inventory counts. Account records that originate in the Costpoint Inventory Module can be automatically brought into the A2B platform. Serialized and non-serialized records will be handled in the A2B platform. No record count shows currently in the A2B until the CIA agent processes the count records from Costpoint and sends them to A2B. Serialized and non-serialized item records are automatically associated to count records as shown. Now let's perform an inventory. Inventory transactions are recorded in A2B using a mobile barcode scanning, mobile RFID scanning, or automated fixed RFID reading. As you can see, we just performed an inventory on the serialized item ID ending in 716, showing current location and inventory timestamp. The A2B CIA agent processes the inventoried count records and sends them to Costpoint. The inventory transactions from the A2B platform automatically appear in Costpoint. You can also see that transactions tied to IUID activities automatically appear in Costpoint. This A2B integration provides Costpoint users with modern barcode and RFID for fast and accurate inventory counts, along with powerful capabilities to manage government property, to save your organization time and to keep your contracts in compliance.